Hey everyone, I previously did a Chrome's productivity tab building your sites with Elementor video, and there's a new feature in Chrome that I think you'll really like. So let's get to it. The first tab that I open up when working on a website in Elementor and WordPress is the WordPress dashboard, because I can get back to all my WordPressy things. I'm going to come over here to Pages, and if you click on all pages, it's going to open it up in this tab that you're in. I don't want that to happen. So this muscle memory tip is right-click, open in a new tab. Now I have all of my pages in a tab. I'm going to colorize this tab to blue. You say, what? You can colorize? Yes. Add the tab to a new group. And previously I said don't name your group because you'll lose real estate in your tabs along the top. Name your group. So I'm going to name them Pages. There's a new feature. So I'm going to hit Enter to solidify that name. But one thing I forgot to do was to give it a color. So I'm going to give my Pages tab a blue color. There's this new thing called Save Group with a little on-off switch. I'm going to turn it on, and you'll notice something appear in the bookmarks bar. A corresponding, let me scroll over here, a corresponding bookmark for the group and the tab. If I add tabs to the group, will that show up as well? If you said yes, you would be right. So I'm going to hit Enter to get rid of the pop-up. Since I'm here, I want to open up a tab in the same group. What do? Right-click, open a new tab, and it opens it up in the same group you're in and colorizes it. Great, we have the home page, and we have all of the pages. There is method to the madness of me opening up and having all pages as the first tab. I'm going to hide this group. So if I come over here to the title of Pages and I right-click and say hide this group, it's going to remove the tabs from the tab bar. But we still have our bookmark. If I open up the Pages by clicking on it, the group, it automatically opens the first tab. And I want to get to all of my pages should I need to. If I've already got one open, such as the Home tab, all I have to do is switch to it. So this kind of is the process of how you do this. I'm going to hide Pages again. I'm going to right-click on the title and say Hide Group. Let's say I need to work on a lot of blog posts. You get where I'm going. Hover over Posts, right-click, open in a new tab. Here are all my posts. Right-click, add tab to new group. I'm going to colorize mine yellow, and I'm going to say blog. And I'm going to save the group, and I'm going to hide the group. Let's say you want to go to the theme builder. Well, I'm going to hit Command E on Mac or Control E on Windows. And I'm going to type THE and come right down here to the theme builder, right-click, open in a new tab, and I'll switch to the theme builder. I'm going to right-click, add tab to new group. I'm going to colorize mine fuchsia, and I'm going to say builder, and I'm going to hit Enter. So you would think at this point you would right-click and say open in a new tab. Elementor, can you fix this? Because it's broken. Because if I open in a new tab, it says page not found. Something about the WordPressy number ID that it was given, can't find it, doesn't make any sense. Can you fix that, Elementor? That would be great. So here's the workaround to that little page can't be found. We know we can't right-click and open in a new tab. Go to the group. So we know the footer is in the group of footer. Click on the group. Here's the individual footer. right-click on the edit and open in new tab. Then it will open it up in a new tab. So if I collapse this group, right-click, I haven't saved it. Notice that I don't have the group saved, because when you save it, it puts the bookmark there. So then I can hide it. And let me close the Finder, and let's say, need to get to my blog. There's all of my blog posts. I need to edit the business blog. I need to go in there. It's all colorized and saved in its group. I'm going to minimize this, hide the group. Need to go back to the builder. And I need to go to the header, and I need to edit this, right click, open in new tab. It's in the group with the footer. Everything is put together in one little group, and you can switch back and forth. I have reached out to Chrome and said, please add a keyboard shortcut to hiding and showing groups. That would be great. Otherwise, you have to come over here and click on them, right click, and hide the group. You know, if I click on Pages, Blog, Builder, we can have everything colorized, everything grouped up. If you're not working on your blog, fine, close the blog. Click it one more time. Can't close. That would be great if it was an on-off switch, but we have to come over here and hide it. So yeah, you can have everything on and open. I don't need the builder for right now. I'm going to hide the group. So there's your productivity.